Hey, welcome back to my channel. Well, this past week has been a busy one building our dream Tennessee garden, and it wasn't easy leaving California knowing we had put all that work and effort into our gardens there to come to Tennessee and really have to have that patience once again to build a whole new garden out. Our big garden has been a work in process since we moved here, and we decided it was time to really build out our dream garden. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we did it. We started by building 6 garden beds with pine wood, each 18 inches wide and 12 feet long. They're sturdy, they're raised, and it's going to really help with some of the weed pressure that we experienced having in-ground gardens. Our go-to approach is the lasagna garden method. It's simple. Line the bottom of each bed, layer in organic material like straw and logs, add compost, then top with straw to act as mulch. I did start a bunch of starters in the late winter, early spring in the greenhouse, but I primarily focused on lettuces, kitchen herbs, and the flowers. I didn't do as many starters for a big garden because I was unsure that we'd have the time to pull off a project this big with how busy our schedules have been, but we just decided to take this week to knock it out. So we scaled everything back and put all of our focus in getting this project done. Since all of the garden stores and nurseries are absolutely bustling with starters this time of the year, we went ahead and picked up what we wanted for the big garden this year, and then I'm going to harvest seeds and try to plant enough starters for each of our gardens from now on. So this year we definitely purchased quite a few starters to get everything in the ground so that we have a garden this summer. And typically I would start maybe a little bit earlier, but I'm so happy we got this project done, and I'm really excited about this summer garden. With starters, when you take them out of a container, you're going to see what's called a root ball. That's the dense, interconnected mass of roots and soil that surrounds a plant's root system. A healthy root ball allows a plant to take up water and nutrients effectively after transplanting. But what you might notice is that it's a bit root bound. If the roots are circling, you can gently tease them apart with your fingers or use clean pruners to cut some of the circled roots to encourage outward growth. You want to do this carefully to avoid excessive damage, but that will help with the transplant. We dig deep enough holes to transplant all of our starters, and you may notice the cage on top of the mulch, and that is to prevent our chickens from jumping up onto the garden and scratching anything away. Also a preventative measure for any other little critters that might want to dig in the garden. Thanks for joining us as we build our dream garden here in Tennessee. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you very soon in more summer content. Hope you have a great day. Bye.